In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from seeing your location on iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up your settings, and from here you want to scroll down until you see privacy and security. From there you want to click on location services. And basically you want to turn it off for everything, but if you don't want, you can just click on like specific apps and say never ask or while using the app. And also one more thing you can do, if you go to search and type in find my iPhone, you can also click on this share my location, which basically shares your location with family and friends in messages, and find my personal request using Siri or HomePod. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.